Hey everyone, today I wanted to do a quick review of the Penguin Planner. So the Penguin Planner company kindly sent me this planner to review for you guys. This planner is a daily planner and it has monthly and daily planning views. Their tagline is "Be productive in a healthy way." It's a little bit different than the regular planner because it includes nutrition tracking, water intake tracking, as well as daily priority setups. And it also has a gratitude section as your summary of the day. You can get this planner at penguinplanner.com and it's also sold on Amazon. So let's take a look inside of the planner and see how the layouts are. So the first section of your planner is going to be the monthly view, which is the calendars. This is the calendar for June that I tried out for 2 weeks. I added color to it and also decorated with a lot of washi tape and some cute stickers. And this is the blank page. All of the pages are undated, so you can start off your planner whenever you want. And this is really convenient in case you skip a month or you go on vacation, you don't end up using your planner, you can just go back and pick up right where you left off. This calendar is really customizable. You can definitely make it into your own style with different colorful pens and washi tape and cute stickers. So all of these pages are blank calendars and you can date them to whatever month you're on. So moving on to the daily view, that's the next section. These are all of your daily planning pages. So that's an example of a page that I did. And this is what a blank daily view page looks like. On the left side of your daily view, you can fill in the date of your planning. There's tasks of the day, must-do tasks that have check boxes next to them. And then underneath, there's a section for meetings and events, another section for me and family time, and a column for should-dos. So there's must-dos and there's should-dos. Then on the right side, you have extra things like nutritional supplements that you take, and you can also jot down what times you took them at, and you can also keep track of your water intake. I think the little glasses with the straws are really cute. Underneath that, you have health goals, exercising, and meditation. You can also keep track of your meals. And at the very bottom, you have different boxes for your summaries of the day. So you can have a chance to kind of go over and contemplate your achievements, insights that you've gained throughout the day, and also what you're grateful for and what you're looking forward to in the future. So overall, if you're a really organized person and you like to really reflect upon your daily activities and your tasks, I think this is a really good planner for you. It pretty much has everything that you could want in a daily task planner, and it also has different trackers that you can keep up with. So here's another look at how I use the daily pages. This is an example of a daily page that I decorated. So I tried to fill in everything with different tasks and little trackers. It's also fun to use washi tape and also colorful pens. So I tried to incorporate that. And so here's the rest of the planner. You see there's tons of pages of dailies. And this planner has 120 daily pages that you can use up. And towards the back here, there's about 10 pages of lined paper that you can use for anything, maybe some notes, some brainstorming, inspirational ideas, or some journaling. You can use those pages however you want. And then at the very back, there is a little pocket where you can stick all of your little notes or items or trinkets inside. So this planner also comes with some extra accessories. So let me show you what you'll be getting if you purchase this planner. Here are the free planner accessories that you get with this planner. You get 2 coupon codes. You get a coupon code for 10% off, so you can give these 2 coupons to a family member or a friend, and if they type the code in and purchase it, they'll get 10% off. And then you also have 2 little sticky note pads that you can stick inside your planner. There's an orange one with some lines and a little speech bubble one that you can also use. You also get a paper bookmark, and it has the Eiffel Tower on one side and the Penguin Planner logo on the other. You also get the sticker sheet that has colorful inspirational adhesive tabs. They're meant to be put on the side of the planner, so just by looking on the side, you can have an idea about what you do the most. So are you a happy / busy / idea person, etc. Hopefully my review has helped you guys out with deciding if you want to get this planner for yourself and start using it. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!